Let's keep swimming. Let's keep swimming. We got a wonderful table right here. Identify the independent and dependent. This is never going to leave your sight. Independent, dependent, boom, boom. Tell me what my independent one is if we labeled our table and our X and Y correctly. Tell me what my dependent is after we labeled and did all that great stuff. After that, we definitely want us to practice graphing this on our own. 1400, 450. I come to 1400. Looks like this is 1400, 450. Boom, smack in the middle. 1550, 505. 1550, you can't really, I'm gonna assume it's like right here. 505 is probably somewhere right there. 2000, 545, 2000. 545 is like right there. So we're just approximating, it doesn't have to be perfect. 26, 715. Somewhere right there. 3,000, 930, 3,000. 930, somewhere right there. And then 3,400, 1,000, 34, 1,000. If we label, this is my x-axis, which is net income. This is my y, which is rent. So this is how much I make. This is how much I spend on my apartment and house. Sketch and label the graph. Beautiful. Do you think a linear regression equation would best describe this situation? Explain your reasoning. Do we think this is going to make a line? That's what it's asking right here. Give yourself a little bit of a couple words, yes or no, because, and give yourself a couple sentences so you can give your own opinion. Back page. Okay, we're going to use our little regression, y1 tilde mx1 plus b. We're going to find out what all this information is. Don't forget it's y equals mx plus b when we write it out. Y equals blank for our m, leave our x alone, leave the b till the very end. Correlation coefficient is my r, so we're going to look at the r in just a second. Got my Desmos, going to input the table. This is going to take a minute, so if you need to get ahead, go ahead and get ahead. I need to look at the table. Please don't wait for me. If you are rocking it out, you're like, oh man, this is super easy. And keep rocking it out. You need to fast forward it to when I'm already done. Go ahead and do that. Or if you just enjoy listening to me talk to myself, that's a-okay too. We see the points that we drew. Kind of looks the same. How beautiful, how nice. I'm an artist, very cool. Gonna go back to the back page where we gotta put some information in. Gonna do my regression. Y1 tilde and x1 plus b. Bunch of information. I need to write down my r, I need to write down my m, and I need to write down my b. Of course, we want to round to our hundredths place, so 0.281, we're just going to leave it as 0.28. M is 0.28. Looking at our B, I see 36.272. That 2 doesn't help it, so it stays at 36.27. And then my correlation coefficient is 0.9817. We can also do the hundredths place, so it's 0.98. 0.98. Of course, we can fill in the blanks. 0.28x plus 36.27. What do we think about this correlation coefficient? Super strong. Yes, we create the line. If I come back to Desmos, we could definitely see how my points are right there on the line. Oops, sorry. So beautiful, beautiful graph. Best line fit looks terrific. We could also predict, not gonna do that right now because it's not asking us to do so. Of course, give yourself an explanation. Give yourself the time to write about what we just did. Perfect. Next video coming up.